Today I will be changing the cartridge filter. The first thing you need to do is turn off your pump. Press the stop resume button. The second thing you need to do is let the air out of your air pressure valve. So you just need to turn this. After all the air comes out of here, then you need to just open this. And then you're going to remove the old dirty cartridge filter. I will be replacing the old dirty cartridge filter with a brand new cartridge filter. So the way to take it off is to pull the cartridge filter up off of the black middle piece. So I'm just going to rinse off the inside part of this before putting on the new filter. Just a quick tip I have for you is to check your phosphates before you do this procedure. I did a phosphate treatment. That way you don't have to clean the filter and you'll have all your phosphates treated and taken care of. So you're just going to take the new cartridge, slide it over the middle component, and it snaps in. And then you'll put it back in. Make sure you have it lined up the right way with the arrow facing towards the pipe intake. Put the lid back on. Put your ring back on. Make sure it's snapped in. Make sure your air pressure gauge is turned all the way open, and then you will turn your pump back on. Press the stop resume button. Just going to wait for the water to start shooting out of there. Once the water starts shooting out of there, I let it shoot out of there for a few seconds and then turn it off. It's been 24 hours since I put in the new cartridge filter, and I definitely noticed a difference in the clarity of the water.